was supposed to vlog me going on the road, going to the supermarket, going to the market to get stuff, because I hardly go outside because, you know, my baby is literally 5 weeks. It's a newborn. But, you know, we have to eat and stuff. But I was so drained and I was so tired, and I said that, you know what, I am going to video whatever content I have. I'm not going to make any excuses because we're trying to build back a relationship over here. So I'm just giving you what I got. I will hope to appreciate it. But yeah, guys, like, this motherhood thing is just too much. I want to say it's ghetto, but people gonna judge me. You get what I say? But yeah, it's a lot. Is it dark? I don't know. It's probably dark. Is it dark? I don't know. But yeah, guys, I'm not sleep because you have to get up like every 2 to 3 hours to feed them. So it's like I'm tired, but even though I'm tired, I can't sleep because all I do is like I'm constantly worried about the baby. But motherhood is nice, you know. It's rewarding. And my journey was a lot. I hope you all are doing well. But yeah, so I want to get dinner. Don't know what I have planned for today other than tonight. It's literally 3:25, but it's dark. It seems as if it's gonna rain outside. Don't have any plans, but I'm still shooting because we're not making no excuses out here. So yeah, probably edit some videos, as in edit this video while I get in content to the work, you know, in a bulk up on me. But I miss you guys over here. Hopefully by February or January by next year I can start going outside. He's getting his shots next week, so that's a plus, you know, so we can do a little bit of outdoor activities, even though I still have to be careful because I don't want him to get sick. So yeah. Yeah. So now I'm trying to do tummy time. I can't go on the floor because I'm still healing from my C-section. So I'm trying to do it on the couch to build his little arms. So we're doing tummy time. I don't think he's paying me much of attention. Malaysia. Nope. He's not giving me any form of attention. But yeah, we're doing tummy time on the couch. And he's bored. Over there chilling and cooing. Sound like he has a hiccup. I need to go lift him up. His pacifier fell out of his mouth. But I don't want to put the pacifier in his mouth and he might try cool and talk and the pacifier will shut him up. I don't like that. So let me just leave. Yeah. Yes, baby. Listen to me. Nobody speaks about how you neglect yourself completely when you have a newborn. You don't have no time. You don't have no life. Nobody business with you. You're isolated. Your friends check up on you a couple times in the beginning and then everybody just, oh, you have a baby. YOLO, them and live them life. Like, I'm like, this is a lot of work. And not only that, doing it alone and healing from a C-section it's just ghetto. But the love that you have for your baby, I guess that's what keep you motivated. Me just make sure to me beard, and if you're not ready, you're just not ready. If you don't have the time set out and you don't have no help, figure it out. Yes, baby. See my agree? It's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. But yeah, I guess by 3 months or so. Ooh. One time I must mute that something here, cause I don't want YouTube. I'm not able, you know. Where the phone? I'm not able. Yeah, he looks like he wants to sleep, so I'm gonna try to. I think it's about an hour since I have him up. I'm gonna try to put him to sleep and see if that's what he wants. You don't want to chill no more? You don't want to chill no more, Malijah? No more chilling? You don't want to watch outside anymore? But yeah, guys. Right. So I'm restocking the caddy so that it's easier for me to like get his pampers, to change his pampers. Trust me, the diaper caddy makes your life easier. Or 7:30. I don't know, my phone is somewhere. Another thing is when you have a newborn, your phone have to be on silent because you can't risk them falling asleep or waking up. We just went for our morning walk. I couldn't vlog because I'm walking with him in my hands. But when I start using the stroller, I think that would be easier. You know, I feed him and he seemed to knock out or on his way. So I soon put him down and try to get something to eat. I'm here actually multitasking. I'm trying to vlog, not vlog. Yes, I'm vlogging, but at the same time, I'm trying to edit. Guys, see, team, no excuses. You can't, somebody put in the effort for me, you know. You cannot say that, you know. So, hold on, listen. I look a mess, but that's fine. That's the reality of having a newborn. You just can't focus on yourself. It's not about you, it's about the baby. When girl needs to look good and girl will come back on the scene, then dead. You understand? But You. In the meantime, this is how I have to look. But I'm gonna wear. Una wanna see me. And actually, somebody asked me why you started back the YouTube channel under so much pressure. I think I'm gonna use this as an outlet because nobody speaks about how you can get depressed so easily. Like you can just fall into a hole as a mother. As a mother, you can just fall into postpartum depression because you just feel neglected. So I think this is actually good for me, to use. I just don't want to pressure myself. So I'm using YouTube as an outlet. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna close out this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, tell a friend about me, about this channel, support your girl. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this realistic video. Guys, I didn't want to come on here and stage stuff like how people make motherhood look so aesthetically pleasing on Instagram and YouTube. It's no fun and games, it's chaotic, okay? It is very chaotic. You get no sleep, you have no time for yourself. So yeah, this is it. This is what life is like with having a newborn. Your your primary focus is just the baby because they need your attention. So what are you going to do? Worry about how much weight you did not lose as yet. What are you going to do? Worry about your looks. Worry about you. He needs me. So right now it's not about me. I'm selfless right now. Yeah, the battery died. Yeah, I'm saying he needs me right now. So this is how I'm gonna look for now. Every now and then I might fix up myself a little bit, but it's about baby boy right now, not me. Plus you can't look cute because I'm gonna puke you up, it's ghetto. So anyways, I said I'm gonna close off the video. I'm gonna try to put him down in his crib. Hopefully he takes the takedown. Or the cornmeal porridge of why. Come on.